Find or read reviews that people are talking about Losuudy magnetic solar wireless backup camera with 5-inch HD monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 3 minutes plug and plays wireless backup camera system. No wiring, no drilling, plug and play monitor with a strong magnetic wireless backup camera. What could be a simpler and more convenient backup camera with monitor system than this? The wireless camera's strong magnetic base brings a strong attraction to keep it stable on the steel material of the auto body all the time, without worrying about falling off while driving. Making driving more relaxing. Rechargeable solar wireless backup camera. Built-in 10,000 mAh high-capacity rechargeable battery with solar-assisted charging of the wireless backup camera for trucks brings up to 18+ hours of superb battery life. And it takes only 6 hours to fill up under fast charging. Enjoy your trip without the anxiety of battery life. Note: solar-assisted charging power is limited, maximum 0.8 watt. The better choice would be to use the charger or car charger as the main charging for the camera. Camera Auto Sleep Mode. This magnetic solar wireless backup camera has an intelligent auto sleep mode. When the monitor power off, the camera auto enters sleep mode. The monitor is turned on again and the camera auto wakes up and works. No need to manually switch on and off during the parking period, more fast and smart. IP68 waterproof and IR night vision. No amount of foul weather, hail, wind, rain, or snow, seems to deter you. The wireless RV backup camera's 150 degrees viewing angle always gives you the truest view of the road under the excellent IP68 rated protection. With the night vision light of 10 IR LEDs equipped with the backup camera for truck wireless, it will always light up the road ahead for you without fear of darkness. Stable wireless digital signal. This RV backup camera wireless with monitor is equipped with advanced digital wireless signal, stable signal transmission, image sync without delay, effective distance 49 feet, up to 320 feet. Whether it is used as a backup camera systems for trucks, RVs, trailers, fifth wheels, pickups, and more, or boats, tractors, skid steers, or agricultural equipment and more, it is very suitable. Dual split screen and parking lines. Add a wireless camera specifically as a trailer hitch camera? Completely feasible. The backup system supports full screen and dual split screen display. You can add a camera as a replacement or expand the field of view to reduce the blind spot. When you turn on the parking line while reversing, perfect reverse parking every time. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.